All right, kindergarten, it is calendar time. So we are still in the month of February. Yesterday was the 8th, so that what comes after 8, 9. And if yesterday was Tuesday, right? Look at here at the days of the week. Yesterday was Tuesday. That means today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Good job. And if someone asks, you say today's date is February 9th, 2022. Good job. And if yesterday was 95 days of school, what comes after 95? 96. And we add one more to the ones. So we have a group of 5 plus one more equals 6. Good job. All right. What should I change? The tens or the ones place? All right, yep. I'm going to change the 5 in the ones place to a 6, right? Because 6 comes after 5. So we have, what's that number? What is it called? 96. Good job. 96. Ooh, we are almost, how many days to 100? 97, 98, 99, 100. So 4 more days of school until we are at 100 days. So I need to add a red circle to one more 1. Good. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, freeze. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Days smarter in kindergarten. All right, guys, good job for calendar today. Go ahead and do the rest of your assignments, and I'll be checking in on you. Thank you.